Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Pocket Cast's login problems, sync and account errors step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Check if the Pocket Casts app is updated to the latest version. If an update is available, download and install it from your app store. Restart your device to refresh its system settings. Open the Pocket Casts app and attempt to log in again. If you still encounter errors, try logging in using a different browser or device. Make sure you are entering the correct email address and password associated with your Pocket Casts account. If you've forgotten your password, follow the instructions to reset it via the app or the website. Next, clear the app's cache to remove any corrupted data. On an Android device, go to Settings, then Apps, find Pocket Casts, and select Clear Cache. For iOS, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear its cache. After clearing the cache, reopen the app and try to log in again. If you are still having issues, check the Pocket Cast status page for any ongoing server problems. Reach out to Pocket Cast support for assistance if your login problems persist. Provide them with specific details about the error message you are receiving. They may ask for your account information to help diagnose the issue. Once you've addressed the account errors, attempt to sync your podcasts again. Navigate to the Settings menu within Pocket Casts to initiate a manual sync. Wait a moment to see if the sync completes successfully. If your podcasts still do not sync, repeat the previous troubleshooting steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.